Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another review, but this is going to be a hair care review and I'm going to be reviewing for you guys two new products of hair care that I got from Scent Botanica. So let's get started with our video. So I recently got my hands on this combo of Moroccan Argan Oil hair care range from Scent Botanica and I was really excited to try these out because I love good hair care. I tried to inculcate products which are great for my hair, which are more natural, have good ingredients, are cruelty free of course. I have the shampoo and I also have the conditioner. But yeah, I think you do get different sizes available as per your requirement, so you can choose among them. I'm coming first to the shampoo. The shampoo retails rupees 449 for 300 ml and I think it is of course a premium pricing, but after all you're also getting a premium product against it. So you get a pump bottle that is actually way more easier than normal shampoo bottles. I prefer these because I can get my hands on exact amount of shampoo that I'm going to use and not waste any product. Now this is cruelty free, paraben free, mineral oil free, no SLS, no SLES, no silicones, and of course pure oils used in it. I always love products which are well thought, which are well managed, which are well thought about and made, and this is one of them. This comes with the goodness of organic argan oil, almond oil, clary sage, rosemary oil, jojoba oil, and green tea. It is great for getting stronger, lustrous, and frizz-free hair, and I think frizz is something we all girls face. So I think that is where this shampoo is good for. So now the second thing we have here is the same Moroccan Argan conditioner. Now this one is the same. It has no SLS, SLES. It's paraben free, it's cruelty free, it's mineral oil free. It has pure extracts and pure oils used in it. Now this one also comes with the goodness of Moroccan Argan oil, vitamin E, avocado oil, wheat protein, olive oil, and silk protein. So of course all of these are great for your hair and making it all frizz free, all silky, shiny, and everything. Now coming back to these, I'm going to be using it just right in front of you and showing you guys how it is. Now the reason I'm going to be showing you guys is because my hair is in a pathetic condition right now. I'll just show you exactly how it is. It's frizzy, it's oily, it's dull, and it's really unmanageable, and I thought this was the perfect time to see whether the shampoo and conditioner works or not. So let's go ahead. Okay guys, so now that I've washed my hair with both the shampoo and conditioner, both the shampoo and conditioner have a very light texture. Generally, the chemical friendly shampoos that you get or conditioners that you get in the market are pretty heavy in terms of when you put it on your hands, when you put it on your this is going to foam up a lot, especially the chemical based shampoos and conditioner. This one, of course, when I use it, I immediately know it does not have parabens and all of those stuff, because this one kind of sticks at your hair at places, so you kind of have to massage your hair in a proper way in order to make sure that it is properly put across your hair. Also, the shampoo does not foam up that much. Again, a good sign. It means it has less of chemicals, which is great for your hair. So that way I think that is commendable. I love the conditioner in particular because it just made my hair so soft immediately. I could understand the change in texture of my hair immediately just after use. So once you wash your hair with the shampoo, it's clean, it's cleansed, it's all clean from inside. But when you actually use the conditioner, it just makes so much difference. It makes your hair instantly all soft, silky, and smooth. So really love it. I have to say this is one of my favorites among the ones that I already love. Fragrance in it is not too intense. It's not too overpowering. It's toned down fragrance, which is always a little more comfortable for me in terms of the usage. Also easy to use and easy to wash. It doesn't waste too much water. I think it's a definite try and recommend it from my side, and my rating for the shampoo would be a 4.5 out of 5 and my rating for the conditioner would be a 5 out of 5. Definitely try these out if you are looking for good natural based shampoos for your hair which are not having too many chemicals or do not kind of damage your hair in the long run, this one is the one to pick for you. The good news is that you can now purchase these products and so many more on www.scentbotanica.in at flat 15% discount. So you can use this code when you're purchasing the products and you get flat 15% off. So go ahead and check it out. Scent Botanica products are also available on Amazon, so you can check that out as well. And so with that, we're done with today's video. Hope you really enjoyed this video a lot. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because that way you help me make more such content. Also follow me on all my social media channels. All the links will be down in the description box below. Also, if you have any feedback to give, any query, any video request, you can put it down in the comment section below. I love to read what you all write. Hope you are doing well at home. Please stay safe, stay happy and stay positive. Ciao.